The Business Entrepreneurship Leadership Center is a transformative space for our university and for our students. This building is a hub of learning, innovation, and creation. In this beautiful new facility, students will be able to engage with faculty, alums, and corporate partners in active learning, engagement, and exploration. In addition to our innovative technology-based learning labs, we have centers of activity and common spaces throughout the building. Having the Business Entrepreneurship Leadership Center as the home for our College of Business allows us to advance on our Vision 2030 strategic priorities to provide that world-class space for our students to ensure that they graduate and end up in the top 1% in terms of earnings and opportunities. Everything is really designed with the pedagogy that's going to be used, with the engagement that's desired, and to achieve the outcomes we want for our students, which is to take their learning to the next level.